Alright, YouTube followers. Anybody that knows me or Vernetti, like, really well knows that we're always doing some redneck engineering, so I just had to share this thing, because so later for customer, and, oops, it turned out super nice. He spent a lot of money on it, and one thing that we didn't like, either one of us, was the brake pedal this is the load cell kit. It has these little rubber bushing things in it, and they're super stiff. So everybody knows, like, when you jump in your car, you push the brake, there's like some take up. And so with this load cell kit, there was no take up, but now I put this spring in here, and it's got just a little bit of take up, and then it applies pressure. But anyways, the whole redneck engineering part of it is, the internet, you can buy these kits for like 45 bucks, 20 bucks. I just had this light bulb in my head. There's a spring in a caulking gun, and I got this one. So I was gonna take this spring out of this caulking gun because it was softer and I didn't have to cut it. It was about the right length already, but I didn't want to mess up my nice caulking gun, because I think I paid about $14 for that, which still would have been cheaper than buying some of the mods for this brake pedal. But this is a Harbor Freight caulking gun, so I just took it apart and took the plunger out, and the spring came out, and then I just cut the spring down with some nippers. You put one of these little deals down and measure it up and clip it however long you want it. And I tried to clip this spring. It turned out to be exactly like, if you cut it into thirds, it would have been 3 of these little bushings. But I cut 1/3 off of it so that I could have a little bit of adjustability if I didn't like the feel of the pedal. But so basically I cut 1/3 off the spring so I could have 1 bushing on, and then if I didn't like that, I could put the other half in and have a 2 bushings gone mod. I like it. So I don't know, for $5, I mean, I don't think there's a cheaper way to mod one of these Fanatec CSL load cells. If you guys experience with these simulators and the load cell brake cell kit, if you guys have better ideas, or if you have good products, link them down in the comments or something. But I just thought I'd share that with you. I don't know, for not having to wait for shipping and $5. That was pretty easy redneck engineering there, and I like the outcome. If you sit in the simulator, if you work the pedal, if you work like over here, it kind of feels like there's not a whole lot of take up. Kind of looks like there's not a whole lot of take up, but when you sit in it, it's pretty convincing. It's really close to real life. So I'm gonna give it a shot, but I just wanted to share that with the video game community. So there you go. $5 caulking gun spring mod for a Fanatec. I'll talk to you guys later.